See, about investing in equities, it's like this. In the olden days, a man who saved money was called a miser, and today he's a wonder. The simple thing is that inflation is eating into our capital, and it's day by day it's increasingly becoming difficult to save money. Now, equity as an asset class has been known to give the highest return over the long term amongst all other asset classes like debt, real estate, gold, property even. But the thing with equity is that it works only over the long term. An average equity fund has given a return of over 50% over the last 5 years, 50% per annum, which means that the capital has multiplied 7.59 times in an average equity fund over 5 years. The question, however, that we need to ask is how many investors had invested 5 years back and how many of those have still remained invested. The market is volatile, the equity market is volatile, may it be mutual funds, may it be directly investing in equity, it's volatile. In the last 6 months, the Sensex has gone from 12,000, it's fallen back to 9,000 and gone ahead to 14,000. So this volatility is what makes the investors not be in the market over the long term, and they tend to trade, they tend to come in and go out, come in and go out depending upon the market cycle, which basically harms the return. One needs to basically employ a strategy which I call the fill it, shut it, forget it strategy, which means that once you know that this particular investment is a good investment, then there is absolutely no reason to change it. If you had known 5 years back that this particular mutual fund scheme is a good scheme to invest in, then one would have stayed invested in that scheme over 5 years and reaped the rate of return. However, that doesn't happen normally. So I myself have been guilty in the past of having made the same mistakes. Having invested in a particular stock, I came out as soon as I got some profits. Had I remained invested, maybe I would have made so much more money. However, one has to basically learn from one's mistakes, and what I have learned is that investment in equity is only over the long term. Once one invests in a good scheme or a good mutual fund or a good stock, there's absolutely no reason to change, there's absolutely no reason to churn, and the returns that one can get are phenomenal. That is why they say that a good job and a good mutual fund are the best defense against social security.